Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Karuna, and I hope all of you know that I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. And today's tutorial is all about Typecraft. What is Typecraft? With Typecraft, you can bring your designs to new horizons with text customization. And you can bend, warp, twist, and come up with unique text for your Canva. To use this app, actually you need to connect your account with Typecraft app. So we are going to see how to go about that. So as usual, go to Canva platform and click on create a design and choose Instagram post, and then a blank page will appear. Now you can, before adding a design, you can go for the font, and we are going to choose here apps, because we need to connect the Typecraft app with our account. So when you're clicking this app, again my apps, under that I will go and choose Typecraft. For the first time users, you need to click the app and search for Typecraft. After searching it, you need to sign into Typecraft, and then this interface will be opened. Now what we need to type, so let us create that first. So let me say welcome to Unlock Canva. So this is my text, and I can choose my font style also. So I'm going to choose something very simple so that we can do the changes and see. Okay, I'm choosing this, and you have three styles. One is none, without any style. The other one is unfilled, and the other one is outline. So right now I'm choosing the none. Then I can go for the color change also. No, now I am going to go for this color change of the font. Now you can see here, this is the style of the font. Okay, now there are dots. By dragging that dots, you can easily, with one click only, you can easily change the style of the font, whether you want it horizontally or vertically, or else you can want to thick or thin the font style, and you can drag and make your design as you want. See here, whatever you want, you can just drag the dots, and then you can create a wonderful style of your text. So this is how I have done. So when you are including this font actually will become an element. So when you come down, you have option to reset the shape, as well as you have an option to add this element to the design. Now we can check the outline one also. You can check the unfilled one also. So you can see here how you can change it. Now I can change the color also here. If you want the border to be changed, you can do whatever you want by dragging the color pick area. Got it? Now whichever I find very attractive, I can go and use it. Now this is how I have done. Now I just have to click add element to the design. Now you can see here it is added. Now I can actually drag it and then make it bigger and place it in your design. This is how Typecraft help us to elevate our design with a different kind of text. So if you like it, click the button like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do comment me in the comment box. And that's all from my desk today. So thank you for watching.